Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. After Instagram's biggest updates, getting that verification check is much easier and faster, so anyone can request a verified badge on the platform. To get the badge, you can either subscribe to Meta or apply as a public figure, celebrity, or brand, as long as you meet the account eligibility requirements. In this video, I'm going to go through the complete process for these two different methods so that you can get the verified badge for your Instagram account. Let's go. As I've mentioned earlier, the first method is to sign up for Meta Verified, which is a paid subscription for eligible profiles on Instagram and Facebook that offers exclusive benefits to those who use it. Here are some of the benefits. First, you'll have the verified badge that lets your community know it's your real account. Second, you'll get priority account support if you have any subscription or account issues. Aside from that, you'll also be provided an account protection for your profile with proactive impersonation monitoring. Finally, you'll get perks like exclusive stickers for your stories and reels. To become Meta Verified on Instagram, anyone over the age of 18 and able to pay the monthly fee can apply. Besides these two, there are also specific requirements that your profile must meet. First, your account, whether public or private, should reflect your full name and a face-centered profile photo. Second, your account must have a history of activity that shows you're active on the platform. Make sure you also have a valid government-issued ID that meets the Meta Verified ID requirements. Another important requirement is to enable two-factor authentication in your profile. Finally, compliance to Meta's terms of use and community guidelines is definitely a must. If you're sure you meet all the requirements, here's how to sign up for Meta Verified through Instagram. To get started, head over to your Instagram profile dashboard. Click on the three-line menu in the top right corner and open the Meta Verified section. Select the account you would like to Meta Verify and be sure to follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-up process. In case you're not eligible to apply yet, you should be able to see the waitlist page, as in my case here. If you're experiencing the same, simply click Join Waitlist and wait for a notification from Meta when the feature is finally available for you. Keep in mind that once you're Meta Verified, you'll be charged the monthly subscription fee unless you cancel. Also note that it can take up to 48 hours for your blue badge and all other benefits to take effect. On the other hand, the second approach I recommend next costs nothing. To get verified on Instagram without subscribing to anything, you need to be recognized as a public figure, brand, or celebrity. For accounts that do not subscribe to Meta Verified, Instagram considers several factors when evaluating accounts. In addition to following Instagram's terms of use and community guidelines, your account must meet the following requirements. First, your profile must be a representation of a real person, registered business, or legal entity. It must also represent who you are or what your business is about. Remember that only one account per profile can be verified, except for accounts that focus on specific languages. Third, your account must be public and have a bio, profile photo, and activity history when you apply. For verification, your account must represent a well-known person, popular brand, or entity. Instagram reviews accounts in news sources, but they don't consider paid or sponsored content. Keep in mind that getting verified is not easy, as Instagram also takes into account your follower count, which should typically be 1,000 or more. From your Instagram profile dashboard, click on the three-line menu in the upper right corner and go to Settings and Privacy. Browse to the For Professionals section and tap Account Type and Tools. Select Request Verification from the list of tools and fill out the form, providing details such as your ID like a driver's license or passport, your creator category, and links to articles or other sites where you are featured. Once you have entered all the required information, confirm your registration by clicking Submit. Since Instagram manually reviews each application, you can expect to wait up to 30 days before receiving a response. You can check the notifications section in your Instagram app to see any updates regarding your verification status. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.